Sumbi. I do.
So you live around here now?
Yeah, I just moved into your neighborhood.
That's good.
Yeah, very nice.
If not for Facebook.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Dan. That's my daughter, the last born.
Okay.
Stop staring at her like that.
Sumbo, what do you take me for?
The same guy you were back in school, obviously.
Sumbo, to be quite honest with you, I was just admiring, and it's not more than just that. She's beautiful just like her mother. How old is she?
16. Way below your age range.
I'm a happily married man with kids now. Sumbo, I'm a changed man.
You better be, or else I'll ban you from this house.
Showale to you.
Don't try me.
Don't worry. No problem. Okay.
If you see the way the man was looking at me, it made my skin crawl.
I can imagine. I know his type, silly pedophile. Do you think Daddy noticed?
I don't know. I mean, after serving him, I made sure I didn't come out again. Daddy went out with him.
Yeah. This is the girl. Is she hot or what?
Yeah, but you're way better than this girl, I beg.
How? See her stature, her skin. I mean, look at her pose. She's so good. Trust me. Yesterday at the shoot, I almost entered the ground. She was such a delight. Everybody loved her.
Taya, you're in that mood again.
What mood?
You already feel threatened by this new model. But I'm telling you, she's not all that, I beg.
Oh, she is, Shade. Believe me.
Nope. Nothing you say can get through to her. She feels threatened, alright.
Okay, you know what? Why don't you try to be friends with her? You might learn a thing or two from her. Just don't try to be her. Taya, you are an amazing model.
Okay, I'll see if I can be friends with her. Maybe some of her awesomeness can rub off on me.
Anyway, as for Mr. Daniel Pedophile, we must discuss this with Daddy. He should never be allowed into this house again. Never.
I concur.
Okay, now, you two out. I have work to do. Out, out, out. Bye-bye.
Awesome shoot.
Thank you.
I must say that I admire the way you're able to bring out your emotions and expressions.
Oh, thank you. I admire you too, a lot.
Really? Mm-hmm. I'm just learning.
Are you serious? You are good, very good. Your body movement and control is amazing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, I mean, thank you. I wasn't expecting you to be this nice. I was kind of expecting you to be, stuck up.
Are you serious? Life is too short, my dear. So, what are you doing later tonight?
Nothing. I'm just gonna go home.
Really? I'm actually hanging out with a couple of industry friends, and I was thinking if you could come along, if you don't mind.
I'd love to.
Really?
Yes.
Great. All right, after work then.
All right then. I'll see you.
See you then.
He was a complete bad boy in school.
So how did you two become friends?
We were roommates till the final year. But he had to drop out because he couldn't afford the fees anymore.
Oh, that's sad.
Yes, it is. But he's doing great for himself now. I was so happy when I saw him on Facebook. And to realize he lives close by, I had to see him. But with this new development, I'll ban him.
No, Daddy, don't. Maybe the look meant nothing. I just felt uncomfortable and that's all.
Yeah, I know. But I saw the look. I know him, remember? If I'm to see him again, I'll have to see him somewhere else instead of at home.
Yeah, I think that's the best thing to do. I mean, we don't have to tempt temptation.
Yeah. Did Tayo say she will be this late?
No, Dad, but you know her shoots can take forever sometimes.
Another reason why I'm uncomfortable with it.
Daddy, maybe we should just try and call her again.
Okay. Tayo. 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 What time did you come in yesterday?
I don't remember.
Where were you?
I was out with Candace.
Who is that?
New model now. We're friends now. We went for one birthday party like that on the island.
Are you serious? And you couldn't even call anybody. Tayo, what is wrong with you?
Sorry. See, my phone died. And I didn't even realize that we were out so late. I was having too much fun. You need to ask
Hey! You got us all worried. You better go and apologize to Dad. Going to work. Huh? Really? Okay.
That's probably Farouk.
Are they dating now?
Who knows for her? I don't know. She likes him a lot, but I don't know if they are already dating.
The boy's father still calls. He's so serious about getting them together.
I want to meet the man. I find him funny.
He's funny. I can assure you.
Oh no, this is not going to happen.
Please, I need to go out.
Where are you going? Was that Farouk?
Farouk? No, Dad, that was Candace, my friend. She said there's a job.
A job?
Yes, Dad. She said they called her for a shoot and she really wants me to be a part of it. So, I promise I won't stay long, Daddy.
Just keep your phone alive this time.
Okay.
And do remember to call when you're going to stay longer than planned.
Okay, Dad.
Do you hear me?
I hear you, Dad. Loud and clear. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
I wonder why she's so excited.
Maybe because there's a lot of money involved. By the way, I have a meeting in an hour. Would you like to come with me?
No, Daddy. I want to stay at home and sleep.
Isn't that what you've been doing?
I know, but I need more. I need more.
You need to start a computer class ASAP.
I don't understand how a man could be against someone's rest and peace of mind so much.
But you still need to start a computer class.
No, Daddy, stop saying it.
Jonah.
How are you, darling?
I'm fine, thank you, sir. Good afternoon.
Were you sleeping?
Oh, no, I wasn't sleeping. I was in the bathroom.
All right. Is your dad home?
No, he is not home. He went out briefly. Did you call him before coming?
No. I thought he'll be home, and I'll sit and wait for him.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm going out. I have to run an errand.
But I need to see him.
Sir, I'll tell him to call you as soon as he gets back.
You don't like me that much, do you?
Sir?
Do I make you uncomfortable?
Sir, I don't know what you're talking about. I have to run an errand.
Come, sit with me.
No, sir. I don't want to sit with you. I want to lock the door after you so I can run my errand.
You're a smart little girl. And beautiful too. Do people tell you that?
Thanks for your kind words.
You know what? I'm not leaving this place until you come and sit right here beside me.
As you wish. My dad will come back and meet you here. That is it again.
Open this door! Stupid girl! Open the door! I insist! Open it for me!
I'm sorry, but I can't afford that salon.
Oh, don't worry, I got it.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, do you like tattoo?
On other people, yes.
You don't want to get one?
No, I really can't. My dad would kill me.
Look, it doesn't have to be visible. You can do something discreet. You need to see what I have under.
No, I'd rather not.
So how about extra piercing? I see you already have one on your nose. You can have on your navel, ear, and even your tongue.
No, I really don't want to. I mean, this one on my nose is enough. My dad almost killed me for this one anyway.
You don't want or you can't. Look, look at me. These are the kind of things the people in this industry will respect you for. It just shows that you understand the art.
I'm really not that kind of person. I mean, I'm wild, but I'm not that wild. I'd rather just be my own self and be my own person and be true to myself.
Alright, I get you. But you need to up your game, girl. On a lighter note, you can use studs. You can do navel studs instead of piercing.
Okay, I guess I can do that.
Great, so we can have one at the salon. And after that, we'll go for the gig I told you about.
Let's party!
I'm sorry. If I ever set my eyes on you again, you'll regret the day we ever met. I'm so sad.
I understand, but you did the right thing. He's a sick man, and he should go for treatment.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
What? I'm proud of you. You are brave and smart. I should have killed him.
Really smart, oh. I would not have thought of anything that intelligent. He could have raped you.
That animal. I'm glad you're safe.
I'm going to cook something. I don't know what, but do you care for some?
Yes, please. Whatever you make is fine.
I swear he's lucky I wasn't home. I would have poured pepper on him.
You should have been home. Where were you anyway?
I was out with Candace.
As usual.
I remember you're the one who told me to be friends with her.
Well, I do remember saying you should lose your brain along the way.
Why the insult now? I'm just having fun. Something you should try sometimes.
And now you have a belly piercing.
So? It's not a big deal, okay?
Did Candace introduce you to that too? Is she now your role model?
I'm too tired for this.
Yes. Good night. Go. Why won't you be tired? You're frolicking around town with Candace. Nonsense.
I think she drank alcohol. I smelt it in her breath.
That's it. This madness has got to stop. Dad must stop her from any more outings with that girl.
But the thing is, with Tayo listen.
Why won't she listen? It's her responsibility to make sure she does. In fact, she has to. She must.
Candace.
Candace this. Candace.
Same Candace. Belly
button. Dad?
No.
What?
No, you are not going anywhere.
But Dad...
You heard me, Omotayo. You are not going anywhere today.
But Dad, I've already missed CDS for 2 weeks now. If I miss one more week, I'll be penalized.
Are you lying to me?
No, Daddy, I'm not. Daddy, see, I don't know what Sade told you, but it's not that serious.
Staying out late, drinking alcohol, and piercing your belly button is something that serious.
Dad, I didn't pierce my belly button. It's just a magnetic stud.
I don't care what you did. You are not that person. You are not Candace. Do you hear me? Speak with an outer voice, young lady.
Yes, Daddy.
What time would you be back home?
I really don't know.
If you don't give me a time to walk with, you are going nowhere.
6.
4.
5:30.
4:30.
5.
Okay, 5. 5 p.m. If you're a minute late, I'll ban you indefinitely until I come up with a better punishment. Have you heard me?
Yes, Daddy.
5 p.m. it is then. I'll be waiting. Lord, help me with this girl. Help me.
I'll show you something. This is what I was telling you about. Yeah?
So you take this often?
Yeah. It's an energy drug. Anytime I have shoots that will take an eternity, I just pop in 1 or 2 in my mouth and I can take on the world.
Wow,
Yes.
that's why you're never tired. I mean, every time they call you, you're always ready and on point.
Yeah. I had help though. My boyfriend introduced this to me years back.
Oh, right. What's it called?
MDMA or something. It's actually made from natural nutrients and vitamins.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think you should try this on Saturday for your shoot and see how it works for you.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, were you able to make it home early yesterday?
Yes, I got home by 4:30 p.m.
Daddy's girl.
I know, right? All right. Can we go now?
Yeah, let's
All
go.
right.
Tayo, what's wrong with you?
I feel good. It's a beautiful day.
I'm asking you again, Tayo. What did you take?
I didn't take anything, Daddy, I swear.
Stop swearing to me. You are lying.
I'm not lying, Dad. I came home straight after the shoot.
Lord help me. Lord help me.
Tayo, please talk to us. What did you say?
I didn't take anything. Why don't you believe me?
Because this is not a normal behavior.
Daddy, stop.
You are doing drugs under my nose?
Dad, it's not drugs. It's natural vitamins and nutrients. It helps me.
It's ecstasy.
Daddy, no. It's MDMA. It's natural vitamins and nutrients.
I raised you up to be smarter than this. Shade, Google MDMA for me. Sing it, Shade, please. I don't have the strength for it.
Daddy, please, I'm sorry.
So am I. From this moment, you are banned from any form of modeling. Any form whatsoever.
Daddy, please.
I can't do this anymore. You are getting too wild and adventurous for your own good. You can decide to pursue the career after you leave my house, not before. I'm done.
Daddy, please. She'll be more careful this time. Please, Daddy.
I doubt that very much. This is the last straw. I can't protect you if you continue in this line. And until you change, no more modeling.
Daddy, please. Daddy, I'm sorry. Please.
And we go to the hospital later this morning to check if that drug is still in your system.
Daddy, I didn't know. I don't do drugs, Dad.
I know. I've made up my mind.
Daddy, please.